No, I would like to say Merry Christmas and very prosperous New Year this coming year to all of you, my kids and my children and my grandchildren. To being, if you still remember that I'm your father or your mom is here, I would like to say again once and for all that this is the very, very happiest moment of my life. That once again, every one of you meet in one room like this. This is what I like and this is what I've been praying for to Santo Niño de Barriga, that once in this Christmas, I would like each every one of you to forget everything that is being done and then kiss.
You just reminded.
Yeah, no. Once again, I'm very, very happy to be with all of you because this is the very, very best Christmas that I ever had in my life. Thank you once again.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Huwag kang magpapakulong sa banyo.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Oh, gift giving na.
Okay, gift giving. Gift giving.
Gift giving.
Yes, sir, baby.
Paano tinry ilang, pero nilak siya nandun siya sa loob. Kaya hindi niya mabuksan.
Okay.